Action! In this video, we will be making a watermelon smoothie. So this watermelon, we bought it from a store and we tried it. It wasn't really that good. It was like sour, so it was in the refrigerator for almost a week and no one ate it. So I will be saving its life by making a watermelon smoothie. So in our smoothie, we will put watermelon, some honey, and then some ice. We're gonna put an apple, and we're gonna put in one apple. So let's get started. First, we will need to cut this watermelon. And on this side, I kind of drew it. As you can see, I think it's pretty obvious that it was in the refrigerator for 1 week because you see this thingy. It does not look like a regular watermelon. There. Okay, now it is out of its cage that it was surrounded in. Here is our thingy. Try to make sure that it goes inside your blender. Our watermelon looks good in the inside, but in the outside, sheesh. We'll just put everything inside. Here's all our watermelons. They got kind of squished up in there. Now we're gonna go wash the apple. I'll be back. So we're back washing the apple. I'm gonna cut it through the middle. There we go. Here are all our apples.
Let's clean it up.
Now let's clean it up. You're probably wondering why I'm eating the skin. It's just good. And it's healthy, so yeah. So our smoothie is almost ready, but there was too much apples, so I ate some. And now we gotta just put on in the honey and then some ice. There we go, now we're done. Now let's start blending. All right, our smoothie is ready, and now, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get the cups.
So our smoothie is ready, and now we will try. Azim cannot wait to taste like this chef has no patience. Here is the masterpiece. I can't even draw on the inside.
Looks like the same thing.
So now I will put this in. It looks chunky. Azim literally almost finished it. He wants more. Still have a lot more, especially if there's still leftovers. I'm gonna share, if you like it a lot and then you drink it a lot and there's like a little left, but you don't want to give it to anybody, just eat it yourself. I mean, drink it yourself. So, but there's a lot, so I'm gonna share to my mom and dad and my grandpa since he's here. So thanks for watching. Bye, we'll see you in our next video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.